In this video, we will demonstrate the simple process of locating and modifying your LinkedIn username. We will provide a step-by-step guide, beginning with the LinkedIn application on your device. Firstly, navigate to the top left corner of the LinkedIn application, where your profile photo is displayed. Click on your profile, located just below your name. Subsequently, click on the three dots that appear on the right side of the screen. From the options provided, select Contact Information. Your LinkedIn username will be displayed to the right of your LinkedIn URL. To modify your username, simply click on the pencil icon next to the URL. You will then be able to edit your username in the text field provided. Once you have entered your desired username, click on the blue Save button to confirm the changes. By following these steps, you can easily find and change your LinkedIn username, ensuring that it accurately represents your professional identity.